Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So we have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of f and 8 equals to 8. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put the limit goal here. So we need to focus on this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So this one that is about capital 8, S that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we put S go like this. Next, so we divide by S on numerator and the denominator. So when S approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divide by positive infinity, you got number 0. This one you got number 0 and number 0. F and number 1 you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we can use this one. So for this one, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So we need to do first derivative of this one, and that is about number 2 over 2s plus number 3. This one that is about number 2 over 2s minus number 3. This one that is about negative 1 over s squared. So we can do about common denominator of this one. So I will put number 2 go outside in here. So this one will multiply by 2s minus number 3. This one by 2s plus number 3. So 2s minus 2s, they cancel. Negative number 3, negative number 3, we have negative number 6. And now we need to expand this one, and we have 4s squared minus number 9. So negative s squared go in here, they cancel negative and negative. Next, we divide both sides by s squared on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, and now we have like this. So we simplify this one and we have number 3. Now we need to go back in here. So this one, that is about number 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.